Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Thank you very much. I'm gonna do now together with you a pizza, okay? I'm gonna take from the pizza box the pizza bowl, a bit of flour. As I showed you last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, open. Now, we're gonna open it like that. Okay, removing the excess of flour from the bottom underneath and from the pizza. So to do it from the pizza, you're gonna just need to give a few slaps, okay? Then we're gonna do. We got the pizza here. We go. Amazing. Tomato sauce in the middle, reaching the edges. Okay, it depends how much you want to put the tomato on the edges. Some people prefer to go more on that, or some people prefer just to leave it free so the crust will go up more. I'm gonna get some basil for you. Just bear with me 1 second. Okay, I pop up from this way, some basil. Margherita with basil is really important because firstly, it's the original recipe. Second, it gives more flavor, Fresh mozzarella. Always start from outside to inside. We don't want anything that is stopped only in the middle, only as you can see, every area is perfectly covered. Remember, mozzarella is better if it doesn't completely melt. I don't like it completely melt. A bit of parmesan. Now, I'm gonna take the pizza pail and I'm gonna show you how to put the pizza on the pail. That seems something obvious, but when you do a proper stone baked pizza, it's not that obvious. Depends how much experience or Right, we got our nice pizza pail. So I'm gonna show you shifting a bit the camera so you can see. If you want, you can help. It's not the best. You're not super professional if you sprinkle a bit of flour on top, but it's fine. So you can do like that. Flat, you see? It's already on the top, okay? Now we're just gonna open it. It depends. Some people in Naples they put it on the side, they do it pizza sometimes is not always circular. So now I'm gonna put the phone here. Amazing. I'm gonna show you how to. There we go. Okay. Now we got the pizza is cooking here. Let's see how it's gonna react, okay? Temperature is, the environment temperature is 400, over 400. Then we got the thermostat at the top is 450 at the maximum, the one at the zero. Because if this one was a bit like that, or more than what is now, it could get too hot, okay? So we're just gonna wait now and see, but we can see already something is actually, happening on the crust. Let's see the crust, it's bubbling, it's getting a bit of color. So as you can see, this side, the one towards me, is still a bit down, but the one on the back is already rising, because this makes you understand, as you can see, the color is coming. You can understand that the heat is more from the back, okay? So that's why at the beginning it's always better not to put it at the end, okay? So I suppose it's time now to turn it. I'm gonna get the pizza pail. Amazing. Check it out. Okay. You twist it like that from one side to the other, okay? Amazing. As you can see, this beautiful color. Perfect. That's what I like. And you recreate a lot the wood fire oven. When it's like that, you need to be really careful, okay? Because if it takes X time to cook from the other side, it will take X minus some time, okay? So, perfect. I suppose it's almost ready. So what I'm saying is that once you turn it, it's already cooked from the other, it's almost cooked quickly from the other side. I suppose it's ready. Let's take it out. And there we go. It's a beautiful, amazing Italian pizza. Basic pizza, but as you can see, we got a beautiful crust, like if it was done in a wood fire oven, okay? Very crispy, reasoned, proven, light, and amazing. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Bye bye.